Good morning, children. Welcome back to our geography class. In our last class, part 1 in water chapter, children, we have discussed about the forms of water, that is water, solid state ice or snow, and gaseous state steam. Okay, water vapor. And also we have discussed about the water cycle, how the water changes its form and how it circulates. And the third one, distribution of water bodies. So these are the three concepts which we have discussed in the previous class. And in today's class, you'll be able to learn about ocean circulation, waves, and tsunami. Okay, let's go ahead. What is ocean circulation, children? Unlike calm waters of ponds and lakes, ocean water keeps moving continuously. Pond water, lake water is still water. It will not move like ocean water, children. So, but ocean water will be never still. It moves continuously. Okay, so the movements that occur in the oceans can be broadly categorized or classified as waves, tides, and currents. Okay, so here you can see the waves. The topmost part is the waves. The second part is also waves. Okay, and do you know one fact, children? March 22nd is celebrated as World Water Day. What's that? World Water Day. So you need to remember and conserve the water which is available to us. The water which is available is very limited quantity. Okay? So that is fresh water which is available in limited quantity. So you need to conserve and reinforce the water in different ways. Okay, fine? Now waves. What are waves, children? Waves are nothing but the movement of the ocean water with the help of wind. For example, before I just want to tell about the waves, I want to make you to do one activity. Okay, here you can see one glass full of water, children. You take a glass full of water and blow air on it like that. Okay, when you blow air on the glass of water, the water in the glass moves. Okay, and you can see small waves on the water. Okay, so that movement of water is only called waves. So that only happens on the ocean. You got my point, children? Yes. So here you can see the waves. Waves are the circular motion of the ocean water on the ocean. Got it, all of you? So it is when you play any ball or when you throw any ball in the ocean water, children, what happens? It comes back to the shore because of these waves. How these waves happen is the wind, when the wind blows onto the wave, onto the ocean water, children, so that forms like that it pushes the ocean water to the shore. That's called waves. Okay, so when the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternatively, that is called waves. So waves are formed when the wind scraps across the ocean surface. As I told you, when the wind blows over the surface of the ocean, it forms like waves. So the stronger the wind blows, the bigger the waves. If the wind blows so stronger, the bigger the waves it become. Okay, fine. Now, children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, it's a huge wave, right? So this huge wave also can be called as tsunami. What's that? Tsunami. So as you all know that during a storm, wind blows at a very high speed. Understand, children? During a storm, wind blows at a very high speed. So very high speed winds causes huge waves. And at the times of earthquakes or volcanic eruptions under the water, sea water, children, or ocean water, it causes huge tidal waves in the ocean. That is called tsunami. What's that? That's called tsunami. So the huge tidal wave which is caused due to earthquake or volcanic eruption in the ocean water is called tsunami. Okay, usually the normal height of the ocean wave is 15 meters. But when tsunami comes, no children, this wave is as high as 150 meters to 200 meters also. And it may travel 700 kilometers also per hour, children. So that is why it causes a widespread devastating or damage to the coastal areas of India or any other areas where it occurs. Okay, Children, do you know about the tsunami which has occurred in the 2004, children? Yes. So actually it has because of this 2004 tsunami, Andaman and Nicobar Islands got submerged after the tsunami. Got all of you, children? Yeah. So tsunami is the Japanese word that means harbor wave. As the harbors get destroyed whenever there is tsunami. Okay, harbor wave. Tsunami is called harbor waves. Here in textbook they have given some introduction, some information about the tsunami, children, which has occurred in 2004, 26 December, means next day after the Christmas. Okay, so you just read this, children, about the tsunami, and you just write your own view on this tsunami which has occurred at that time. Okay, children. So thank you. That's all for today.